So, hello everyone, welcome back to another live today. So today we'll be working with Arctic, like we'll be continuing with that. It's not been successful since 2 days back, so we'll be continuing with the same. We'll give some answers, we'll try to get down with the problem and try to like get more into it. Cause yesterday we tried to upload some other exploit, which is like this one. Where is it? This is a one, Chimchuri, but that didn't work. So this time we'll try that again, but if that didn't work, then we might have to jump on to different one, I believe. Then I have to check all the way up and look for another exploit that might work. Cause there are some times when something don't work as expected. So you have to take that in and try to use a different exploit. Like there are many possible ones, but yeah, we can try any of these to get through with this. There's a web dev. This one is from the previous box. I believe it's related to Granny. Yeah, I think we have solved the Granny one, but we haven't solved the Grandpa, so we'll check there what we can do. And there was another one. Which one was it? We never tried this. We are trying this first time. But the other one we have tried over here is I believe it was a utility manager. No, I think it was this track pop menu. It wasn't the utility manager. But yeah, we have like quite many. So we can try as many we want, or like at least this much. Not as many maybe, but at least we can try these. So let's get back to the box. And there is another thing that I want to show you guys. Like I said yesterday, I'll be working on the script which is related to the Adobe Cloud Fusion, and I did some work and I've created successfully this script. As you can see now, this is in bash, and if someone wants to use this, they'll be able to use this one also, and it works brilliantly. And so we'll save it and let's push this one too, though there isn't much change. Let's just remove all of this, mark it tick, and at last sync. Okay, there we go. We have pushed our code. Go back, Adobe Cloud Fusion, copy this. We'll do the git clone. Okay, we already have it here. Let's press, and we have our exploit downloaded. So now we can remove this one, the Python one. ls clear cd Adobe, or like get back. All we have to do is Adobe Cloud Fusion / this, enter, permission not, it doesn't have the permission, so we'll give it a permission, chmod +x, enter. Now if I try this, and it's working beautifully, and there we have the command that we will be using. Let's paste it, enter. And I think we are still missing something. Let's see if the script can identify that or not. So I don't think someone is in the chair right now. Oh, I see. See, we haven't turned on the netcat listener. Let's paste it here, enter, and start listening. Attempt to trigger the payload. Nice. And we should get our reverse shell anytime soon. And with that, let's drink a coffee. Cheers. And there we go. We have our reverse shell. I was actually getting pretty sleepy. Maybe this will be able to kill my sleep even a little bit. That will be pretty helpful. Okay, so now that we have our reverse shell, what we'll be doing is we're going to trigger the same command again all the way down. Not this one, because we don't want the PowerShell as it wasn't working as it should be. So we can kill this. Okay, it seems we have messed up something. Delete this. Okay. It should be here. And now let's run this, but before that, let's copy this. And we're not gonna put it here. We'll be putting it in the same place. Copy this. Paste it here with the // and paste it back. This machine has been restarted. It wasn't like the previous one working, so this is a different one now. So let's see if we can run it this time. Copy the command, and over here we need to run the Python server. I think I should put the camera here. This place was a bit better. I think, let me move it a bit. There we go. Not much, just a little bit. Now I think it's fine. Okay, let's try this. Paste it here and enter. Downloading the file. Okay, so now that we have it here, let's cancel this, start the new netcat listener over the port 2000, and we will execute this with the given IP address 16.5 9002. Enter. Okay, it didn't trigger the reverse shell. Let's capture this, or let's capture it back and write it over the screenshot itself. We tried the what's the name of CHIMICHURRI exploit, but it didn't work, so we are skipping it. This one looks weird. This color looks weird. Let me fix the CSS of this over here, and the color should be different. Is it going to be okay if we keep the color same? I guess it looks okay. We can use this color itself. Okay, this looks cool. And close this too. And I hope it's implemented all over. Yep, it's implemented all over. Let's try it here too. We tried it, but didn't work. What we tried? Chimichurri. Paste, bold. So we'll move on to the next exploit. Now the next exploit we got is let's just copy out all of this. WinPrep check bat. Close this, and we'll go all the way back down and put sh, paste. Which one should I try? Any good guess? This is a chimichurri. ADF says win trace message. Any other special that we might be able to see? Data free CSRSS. Utility manager. Let's try this one. If this has any sort of exe. Yo, what's up, brother? Whoever is sitting in the chat. Let's restore it. And we're gonna remove this. Paste this, enter. And I hope we'll be able to get the exe, else we have to move to the GitHub. Same garbage place. I don't want to compile this, so we'll just close it. And what's the number? MS What's up, brother? How is going? Neo fetch. This is a 1 and 7-year-old exploit. And there we go. We have the exe. Copy this. Oh, nice. So, like, what are you studying related to? Okay, let me put it here so we can, like, it should look like we are trying to interact, right? So, what are you studying? Let's try download vertically. Yeah, let's go vertically. Wget, paste, enter. We got the exe and let's split it vertically too. We'll run the netcat over here. I hope we just need the netcat listener. Or we have to check the readme, what it says. How are we gonna trigger it? They didn't mention it, like how we're gonna trigger it. So let's just upload it and see what we can do. Guess someone was on door. Let me check. I think they went back. Okay, so we have the file. We have netcat listener. So we'll cancel this and run the Python server here. And with that, we will copy this. Now let's try sh paste, and the file name is this. And we'll mark it as bold and see what it does. We'll try to read it later. Pretty damn good space, and with this we have added the names. Let's pull this exploit here and start working. We have it over the machine. Successful. Let's just copy paste, enter. Okay, it seems it worked, I guess. Or maybe I am missing on something. Like, do I have to provide the like IP address and port number? I don't know. Let's just copy paste POC, enter. Where can I get the POC of this? Maybe K-Labs, K7 Labs. They didn't tell how to run this. Over here. Nope, no knowledge. It seems that's how it should be running. We have to provide the IP address and the port number. then it might be able to connect back to the system. What do you say? Should we try it again? File is already there, so we will just need to run the exploit, and it's running. Where's my coffee? We should be getting shell any second. Attempt to trigger the payload, and there we go. We are in. From there, this is a file, and 10.10.16.5, and the port number is 9002. Enter. And it died. What could be the reason? Is it already running? Could that be a reason? Let's see. What's the command for processes? Any good command that we can use? We don't need this. Provide, show, clear, whatever. We don't need schedule tasks. Save security regex. Get processes. This is a partial command. Execute a process on remote system. No, we are not executing any command over the remote system. We are in that system right now, so we don't need to use that. What was the command for the processes? I'm forgetting. A task list, display the okay. Let's see if there is our script running. Doesn't seems like, cause task list con host cmd con host cmd did it. Okay, there's a possibility that this cmd might be running that file, so we will copy this and we will perform task kill, paste, enter. And now if I do this command again, enter, hey, it has thrown me out. Nice. Enter back. I don't think we even need to upload the exploit, cause if we go to the files, the exploit should be sitting there. Well, I gotta go. I have subbed on your channel. I wish you the best on the OSCP plus. I'm not pursuing for the OSCP plus. I'm going for directly the OSCP. I think they have made some term and condition changes and maybe some other changes too, but I'm going for the OSCP only. Well, let's see where we can go. We have our stuff there, but yeah, thanks brother for your support, I would say. There paste, enter, and this time it didn't kill the shell. Let's try 9002, enter. Will it be able to connect? I don't know. I don't know. Like, what's its command actually? That's what we don't know. Can we do this? Like, we have the shell, right? So, but for that, we're gonna need the netcat listener, right? So if I do msf console, search netcat, we can collapse this. Let's search it back. Netcat listener. Okay, we got it. cmd bind, get chart cmd shell, exploit this, up netcat bind. I guess this is the one that should work. This module we can load. Do you want to use this? Yes. Show options, set lhost. It's going to be 10.10.16.5 and set to the 9002. Enter, and we're gonna run. Okay, exploit -j. Now we'll try to get the reverse shell. I see. Cancel now. It's no more active. Okay, nice. You're sitting well. If I cancel this, go back, try this, and click over this. Once we get the reverse shell back, what I'm gonna do is use not this one, but this one, the Python shell, not the Python but the PowerShell, to get the connection over here. So the port number should be 2. We should copy this, and when I paste and enter, we should get our reverse shell over here. And we should be in the wait, what? Sessions, sessions 1. Okay, good. We are in, so we'll put this put this session behind, and now we'll try to use what we was trying yesterday. We'll use the exploit suggester. So let's search. Suggester, use 0, and with this let's set session over 1 and we're gonna run it, and now it will be running all of this via PowerShell, and finger crossed we might be able to get the exploit, and using the metasploit itself we might be able to get the higher privilege user. Let's see. I just hope it don't give the error just like it gave last time, because we was using the CMD shell. I'm just hoping it don't give that. Okay, it didn't give, because last time it just thrown an error after the first two, as far as I remember. Oof. And I guess now that we have the reverse shell, we don't need this shell active anymore. Maybe? What's up, guys? Sitting in the chat, chilling. How is going? I don't find any napkin. Do I look weird? No one cares. Just don't go blasting over me. Please try, brother. Don't get stuck on the 5th. I just hope the session didn't died, cause I can't see any other reason that why it gets stuck. So the probability is that session might died. Oh no, session is running. Nice. I think it's taking its sweet time. Was good doing, just sitting back taking a look, just popped up on my feed. I just had watched day 2 video you made. I'm gonna take it off OSCP this year. I don't think this year would be possible, but maybe next year. Yeah, I'm planning to get the OSCP next year. Yep, 25, correct. The first one is OSCP, and along with that, my other goal is to get the CPTS also by Hack the Box. So if, as they say, it is pretty good, so I might try to get both in the same year. So yeah, let's see where I can go. Just for now, I'm just cleaning up my previous like knowledge, cause it's been a more than 2.5 years since I have last, or maybe it's way too much time since I last cleared my content related to the Windows. So I'm pretty good with the Linux. The only problem that I have with Linux is creating the regex. So I'll work on that separately, but the key place right now is the Windows, cause I haven't worked it on for quite a long time. So I'm trying to clean up that. Like, I'm trying to try what I can think faster in a way to get something done. So yesterday what I tried is same thing, but I didn't try it with the PowerShell. So over here I was using the this one GSP RC, and that didn't give a good result, cause this, I think this post exploitation stuff doesn't work for the CMD. So I needed a PowerShell. So now that I have created a PowerShell using the CMD, so that's why it's working now. Nice, man. Good luck with that. You think it was actually worth learning from? I got kind of bored of it cause of giving why it gives. Uh, like I said, you are giving exam. It is also game. It is not like you're working on the real life environment. If you are expecting that in the exam you'll be working on the real life environment, that's, I don't think, what are you thinking right now for then. But that exam is also in game, so if you can keep up your time over here, then there's a high probability you'll be able to keep up your time there also. The only problem there is that the exam is time constrained. So if you can find something faster in any manner, or you can create script for yourself that can help you leverage the other services a bit faster than how we normally work around with the commands, that will be able to level up your game a bit. For example, if I show in last I think how many videos back, or maybe box back, 2-3 box back, I was working over the RabbitMQ, and that part was a bit tricky. So I thought, why should I bother like entering the commands and doing that tick tick stuff? So what I did over there is I just created a script out of it. So if you go over my profile, you will see this where this is. I'm not sure if like how much this script is complete, but you can see like what I'm trying to perform here with the script. Yeah, so it's just like how fast you can learn around and how fast you can work around is the only key over here. That exam is also in game, man. It's just how you can put up that game. That's the only thing. And the biggest problem over here is without the solid what we say, certifications and some other stuff, people are not getting recognized nowadays. Either you will get recognized if you're putting something over the social media and some company find it good that you're able to make the same thing for them, they might be able to hire you in that way. But that's only work for like the programmers, those who create content over there. For the security people like us, it is a bit challenging, so that's why the certification is a bit of a barrier there, that if you want to get a jackpot there, you need to show that like 4 words or characters into the certification, like sorry, into the resume or somewhere that it can be recognized. Only that way you can level up over here. And that's my thought. I just want to learn, nothing else out of it, just pure learning, trying to work on my time. Okay, the scan is finished, and I hope, okay, that was a bit waste. My thinking didn't put up the way I wanted to. No problem. It's not a trend, but like if someone is going to hire you, you have to show like what qualification do you have. Like you just have to think out aware of it. But yeah, it's just a industry need, so you have to comply with that. Sessions 1 and 3. I think the session died. Just thinking, starting interaction with the 1. Yeah, I think the session died. Okay, no, I don't wanna abort it. Aborted foreground process in cell session. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Yes. Clear. Exploit -J, enter. Session not found, and you won't be able to found anytime soon, so we'll exit from here because that's not working. So now other way is to like, and this is the script that I created for this box. Maybe rather created, but I just rewrited it. Officially, this was its CV, and it was written in Python previously, so I just converted it into the Bash. I like Bash, and it's easy to read and easy to understand kind of language, so that's another fun part. Let's start the netcat over first. Refresh this and get into it. There we go. And if I do there, and with that, this one is not working, but still we're gonna give it a try. 10.10.16.5 9002. Split the terminal netcat with the 2, enter, enter. Didn't work. Cancel, collapse the script, // and provide this, enter. It triggered, but it didn't run. Now the problem is, most probably we are not able to complete this command. So let's just clear everything up. We need a GitHub POC, or this, maybe this one too, and Windows exploit suggester. I don't think we need that because we have already got like pretty much everything using the WinPiece. So the only thing now we need is the POC. If we can get the POC somehow, we might be able to trigger. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. But maybe in the C code we might be able to run like what's the input pattern they have. Put it here. If they need any sort of argument. Anywhere where we can find the IP address or something. Access function, device type function, method access. Okay, file write access. What's it doing in the actual code? The below structure is commented and above one is also commented. Let's see if there is any sort of arguments. Okay, there is a main and it's taking argument over here. It says start the user mode logger and it's failed. Then it's performing something over vim data device, and if generic read and generic write is something called C, and I haven't read the C in quite a long time. I can't interpret like what it has written. Device successfully opened. Any other? There's a buffer size, buffer overflow kind of stuff is going on here. I don't know. Any other argument that it's taking? Okay, that's pretty wild character. Unassigned character. Fuck data. I don't know how, but run the provided application, then hit any key to stop the session. Okay. Enable trace failed with lu/status trace false. Information warning error provide to enable session handle from start trace. Maybe it wasn't able to run, or even if it is able to run, I don't know how it's gonna run. Let's try the track pop menu. That might work. Paste this, or instead let's find it. It's not here. MS13. We have MS1353, which is this schedule Lampere or the 5, then 1341, but we don't have the 41 here. So let's try this one then. 53, right? And have they given, okay, they have given the command set, and I'm going to cough. So maybe this one will work, and they have it over the MSF console too. We're gonna use it without that. Usage, just upload this and run, I guess. Okay, let's see if it works. What's in this zip file? Copy this and split the terminal. wget paste enter, unzip the ms whatever, and cd into the okay, nothing is in report. ls. It didn't export anything. It's what it says. Archive end-to-end central data signature not found. Either this file is not a zip file, or it is construct one disk of multiple part archive. In the latter case, found cannot find zip file directory, but it says a zip, right? What the hell is going on, man? Are you guys making a fool out of me? Like, how I'm gonna run it then? Doesn't make any sense. But let's not waste time over this. We'll move on to the 5. Ah, dang it. This is another C++. Anything else that we might be able to do? Let's try something. This one? Do we have something related to this? Okay, we have something and it's here. Is this exe? Okay, nice. We have the exe here compiled, and what it does is authorize system fixed whatever. Okay, is it running the command using this? Okay, I didn't check that if we can like run the command using this. Who am I? Enter. Let's see if that's how it should be working. I don't know. Did I got any new message? Nope. Okay, session got stuck. There's a possibility, right? Will it run? Damn, every time new suspense. What it says cannot find zip directory in one of this. If I do ls-la, yeah, it is a zip file. File ms13. HTML doc Unicode with very long line. But why does it say is a zip? That doesn't make any sense. Clear. Don't tell me the session died. Dang it. Enter. We'll get the session back. And along with that, we will use ms15.exe, whatever. This one might be containing the payload. Let's split once more. wget paste enter unzip this ms15 enter. What's wrong here, man? Let's ask the almighty enter. Signature not found. Who cares about the signature, man? It says file and let's write this. This is what it says. Yeah. Just stop it already. There you go. Oof. Extract with 7-zip. Let's try that. And it says it's an HTML document. The file didn't download properly. Instead, the browser or command line tool downloaded an error. Yo. Okay, so we have downloaded the broken file, I guess. So what we will do is click on raw. We got the file, and let's cut this and go here, hack the box. Where is it? There. Machine, Arctic, paste, replace all. And now if I do clear, unzip this, enter. Yo, what the hell? Is this a password? Yeah. Capital A, everything there. Did we got the exe? We have unzipped what? MS51. We got this file. We got any other file here? I guess we got the POC. And it says we'll put this as an argument, or we can upload the file and give it as an argument. Okay, but where the hell is this .exe file that it is saying? In this over here. Oh, there we go. Let's copy this and we will do cp paste. This is the file, enter there, and we now do Python server, and with that we're gonna use this same command, and this time it's going to be 15 and 051.exe, and it's going to be the same over here. Copy this, paste it here, enter, and with that we'll get our file there, and it says the file not found. And why not found? Okay, reasonable. Naming convention, ms copy, paste, enter, and now it was able to find. Cache complete. If I do there, we have our file, this one, right? Or it's a different one. Yeah, this is the one. Copy, paste, slash, and we're gonna put our cmd, no, reverse shell. Should we use this one? Let's go for it. Copy, paste, put it into the double quote, and I hope everything is right. Enter, and it started creating a process fixed by this. Process ID is this. Okay, I didn't start the listener. Now that it's there, we should get our RC. Or don't tell me that I have to reconnect with the session again to perform the same code. I wasn't present there. Dang it. Cancel. Open. Refresh. Go back. And just paste the command that we just ran. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna create a conflict with the process. Oof. Too much talking, bro. We are in, paste, enter. Process has been created and we got the shell. Not like this. Enter. And if I do who am I, enter. Boom! We just need to thought out of the box. And we are in. So let's go here. This should be edited line after trying multiple exploits. We in the end we tried this one, and it was able to get the RC successfully. And there we go. We have everything, and along with that, let's just copy everything what we have done so we can get a POC. Oh shit. Like this, paste, clear this, clear this, clear this, clear this, and we can remove this too and this too. Now that we have the files, we have moved the file. We didn't need to perform the there. Z, okay, some file left. Now what we can do is we have already unzipped. Okay, that was an incorrect one because the password wasn't right. So we got this. We have successfully uploaded it there. And the next, what we did was in the first session, we added this over the system. Okay, we need to get all of this. I think this one itself should be enough to give us the information. There we go. And in the end, we successfully got the reverse shell. And we successfully got it here. And we did it without using any write-up. So we are making progress. That's good for us. Nice. So now let's go back to C drive all the way back. Okay. cd c:/ enter, and there cd users there. I guess we can cancel this, collapse this, cd administrator there, cd desktop, and it's going to be type root.txt, enter, and there we go. We got our flag. We should put it here. It's absurd amount of space. Okay, let's go back. And with this, we have cleared in the box. And this actually this was the box that I have already cleared once. But if you will see the progress, I'll show you guys. It wasn't fully solved. I didn't exploit the root then, and the method or the steps I took back then is what pretty different. Let me show you. Arctic. See, this is the one, and I have submitted this flag like way back, and I hope it is not recent. Okay, let's start giving the answers. And what we have found so far, we found the 3 ports open. Okay. On what TCP port is their STP server running? So it's 85,000. Enter. What is the web application development platform in use by the site? And that is Adobe what? Cold Fusion 8. This is the one. And now it says, what is the CV? Okay, for the CV, it should be here cause I have tampered with it. The CVE is let's go here. We have the CV over here. That was a pretty damn good one. This is a CV, so we will put it here and make it bold and italic at the same time, and we're gonna submit it here too. Submit. Yo, what does this mean? Okay, directory traversal vulnerability in enter.cfm. See, I told you guys I didn't perform the same step or like the intended way that this box should have been solved. You see over here we have a directory traversal vulnerability, but we didn't use that path as it's a game. So we tried some unintended way, and using that unintended way we was able to exploit it further. So now the point is, what's the vulnerability CV that it's talking about? So it says the directory traversal. We can see there are 2 directory traversal over here. It must be talking about this one, or enter.cfm, this one. But this one has nothing to do with the directory traversal, right? So what we can try is copy this, cancel this, clear this, and search exploit x space enter, and we have got our CV. We'll quit it from here and provide it. We was able to use like the way previous one, and the Metasploit resonance module can be used to list possible privilege escalation path on compromised system. And yes, it's the same one, exploit suggester. And where the hell is that? Though it didn't work for us, but that doesn't mean it won't work for others. Maybe it will work for like some of you. So we will provide the name, cause I already know like what they're talking about and what needed to be there. What is the password for the Cold Fusion admin login? Nice point. And we almost forgot to dump the content that we usually dump. As such, Windows command and copy this. Not like this. Let's just do this and paste it here. And I think let's just paste it here. If I do it there, we got both of the files here. And now we need to move this file. Okay. F move, not a movement, move. Okay, we don't have the command for move. Move command for the PowerShell. Move item, the path of the file and destination where we wanted to move. So we will give it move hyphen item, and with that we will give the file name and where we want it to move. It will be over here. Where is it? Yeah, in this directory. Hyphen destination, destination, and we'll provide that and press enter. And now if we check here, see user bin, let's go to back. No, we have put it in the wrong destination. Destination should differ. Let's see if we have dub, and we don't have. It should go to the dub if we want to move it into the, what we say, to the directory where we're able to access the web page. So this is the wrong directory, but what we'll do is copy this and we'll put it into the end over here, /sam, and copy /system. There we go. Desktop /system. Now we need to provide it the destination, which will be different for both of these commands. We'll use move item, like whatever is going to be the path over here. There we go. We just need to remove this path and provide the destination path over here where it should move the files. So we'll go all the way back, /./.cd, there there was cd cold fusion, enter, cold fusion 8. Okay, there, and there we have it. This is the path where we want to put the file. So we'll do cd www root there, and this is the root, so we can just provide it this destination, remove this, and copy this command. Sorry, actually it's going to be over here too. Oh shit. Copy this, paste it here, and paste it here. Copy the first command, paste, enter, and if I do dir, we didn't got our file here. I need to do this, enter, dir, we don't have the permission to write in here, do we? Let's do cd cfide, enter, paste it here, slash cfide slash, enter, there, and do we got the file? Nope. Or is it possible that cd dot dot, we need to provide the file name sam slash system, like there's a possibility, right? There, I don't know why it's not able to write it here, though it should have written there. Let's see. Moved path, destination, temp. We have already given everything. cd to follow the command, move command. Let's see what's wrong here. Move item, we have given the whole, this is the one, but we have already tried it, right? cd there, but the file is not there. Move sam again. Okay, let's try this. There, troubleshoot there force. Oh shit. Test path, what's this command? False. Oh, that's a new command. And what does it say? Is if it says the false, stop error action and enter. Okay, is it moving? Log the output of move item command to capture the error. And recommendation is confirm the type of file. It's a SAM file, man. What could be weird here? Let's see if the file is here. We should be able to get the file from here, because that's what we're trying to do, or we are trying to download. We can download other, or like close other stuff, and as we can see, we don't have any sort of file here, so this file should get there. And before that, let's go here. We'll keep this in the backup. If the session died, we need to get back into the session. Let's cancel this. I guess the session is dead. Yo, I made a mistake. A good one. That was a PowerShell shell, man. Quite a big of an idiot. Now I have to copy this whole and go back here. Once the shell is active, just give me the netcat listener. Let's see how we can. Oh yes, we can do this. Convert the file into base 64 using PowerShell. Now using this, like we're just converting the data into the base 64. So when we will do that, we'll be able to download the file, or rather download the file. We will be able to just copy the base 64 of that file, and when we'll put that base 64 in our local system, we'll have the exact replica of the data that we're trying to get over our machine. So that way we don't have to perform any sort of download or any sort of move kind of command to read the file or get the file. So that's another way to like download the file from the system, unless it is like audio file or video file, which is pretty large, or maybe the small one sometimes that get like how we say it died sometime, it get encrypt or it get broke sometime. So that's why we hardly use this kind of method over the media files. But most of the time when you are working with the data files, this is a best way to download the stuff. And we have got the error. What does it say? We don't have any sort of file. Let's go to the files then. We have the multiple files here, right? Cancel this, clear this out. And what it says, now what I will say is give me the one command to convert this file into the base 64. Give me the one command to convert this file into no, not a convert, to get this file base 64 so I can use that base 64 over my Kali to convert into the file. Not a convert, it's a convert into the file. So let's just click enter, and we should get our file. But before that, let's start the session, and using the session, and there we go, we got our we don't want to put it into any sort of file. So it wasn't actually base 64, but it will be this command over here. Yep, this. Oh yeah, this is the command actually. What I've done, paste, enter. We got it. I don't want to put it into any sort of file. So all I have to do is copy this, enter over here, paste it here. Dang it. I'll just remove this much from here using this. Bro, copy this, paste it here. And it didn't show us the base64. Let's try the type space, provide the text. What the hell? Why the hell is total empty? Give me the good reason, man. CD to this directory there. That dumb has converted this file into like the base64 time. Test path, we don't have any test path. All we have is the given command. Remove all everything. And copy the command back. Where is it? This is the one. Copy this, paste it here, enter. And this should create the SAM file and the system file for us. Oof. Don't tell me the session died. Because it wasn't able to bear the height of data. Will I be able to get that session back? I don't think so. Will I? Nope. Let's get back into the session. Copy this whole command till here. Clear everything. Once we're back into the session, we'll get the PowerShell back. Enter. And this time we'll go to cd but to the desktop. Enter. We are there. We performed it there. Okay, we got the SAM file. Let's just give one more shot. If we're not sure if that file is actually the whole file or not, so one last try. There. Oof. Or instead, what I could do is cancel, start the session, cancel, start the session and go back, start it here, I am kind of like light bulb which blinks a bit late, but now it has been blinked. Now we should be able to get the SAM file out. Here, enter. Now we'll go to the destination where we actually wanted to go. And if I do Command Z, this is a destination we wanted to go. So we'll do CD, enter. We are there. Let's remove this. And now we're gonna create the backup SAM of here. And if I refresh, we should get our both of the files over here. Let's just put it over here. And there we go. Now we have both of our files. Copy this out and get the SAM and system file. The other thing is why I was a bit confused, because right now we are admin, so system have no right to like say no to us, cause we can perform any action right now. So it doesn't matter where we'll go into the system, where we go into, like wherever we go, system don't have any right to stop us cause we are admin. So that's why we perform this. And now that we have our file here, what we're gonna do, split this terminal, perform wget and copy the link address, paste it here and enter. Waiting for the response. These files are actually pretty heavy loaded files, as you already seen. System file is gonna take like its sweet time to get download. So once this start downloading and I'll confirm that it's running sweet, I will close this session both and just download the files, or we can just close the sessions, clear this out, move it up. Maybe this one is gonna take time. What about the SAM? Enter. This one should download a bit faster. Right. It's over here. It's over here. It's over here. If I click on it, I hope it don't open the file, but actually give us the option to download. And it's loading and loading and loading, infinite loading. And there we go. Finally, we got the SAM file over the system, and let's download the system file also. Yeah, you can stop, brother. I know this machine is a bit dead, so I'm not gonna force you. Oof. Well, that's a pretty damn long time. We can have a pretty good chat. So what's up, guys? What's going on in the chat? There we go. We have started downloading the system file. I'm hiding behind the mic whatever. This is a darn good big file. As you can see over here, the size that it's downloading and the download speed also. Oh yeah, I forgot to make an announcement. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing, like the video, and have fun. There might be another announcement pretty soon. I'll post that into the community. There's a probability that I won't be able to do live for 1 or 2, I think 1.5 week, cause I'll be visiting Jammu cause of my grandpa passed away in the February. So there is some rituals that needed to be performed before the year end, so I'll be visiting there. After that, I'll be back live and with the same schedule. We'll do live daily until unless there is any meeting or the company meeting. Yo. Oh. Okay, 3 MB, 4 MB. That's a pretty damn large file. Now the thing is that I don't know when I'll be visiting. Tomorrow, maybe day after, or maybe day after day, whatever. You understood my point, guys. So thanks for staying, whoever is here. I appreciate your time. Oh, I didn't see this. We have the file size over here. It's total 8 MB of the file that we are downloading. Once you'll download the file, I'll show you the magic command that we use to get the hash or the hash of the password. It's almost done. 7 MBs. Seven and a half MBs. Man, this waiting's kill me. Killing me. I won't be able to provide the password without this, though. I think in the back of my memory I do remember the password. It's something happy or something, I think. But we'll be able to crack that hash, and there we go. Lovely. We have both of these files over the system. And we'll copy this also. sh paste. Now that we have the file, let's get the hash of the system of the user. Of the users, enter, and this is going to be the command all the way down. This is the command. Clear this out, paste, enter, and there we go. We got our hashes. And we're gonna submit it here. Now what we can do, we can use hashcat to crack this password, or maybe the John. So to do that, what we're gonna do is perform the hash cat identify. Clear this out because that's a wrong hash. We need the tallest hash first because that's what it's asking for. And there we go. It is MD4 or MD5 hash. So we're gonna use let's crack these passwords as such using hashcat or John. Let's give a shot with the hashcat first. Copy this, paste it here. This is a one-liner command, and we're gonna remove this, paste, enter, and I hope this should be able to crack the password. As we already have the stuff over the system, we can cancel this, clear this out, collapse this session and this terminal too. And it seems we didn't got the hash. Now the reason could be is because of MD4. But if we do this, let's see, ls, did it create the file hashes? No, it didn't. So if we'll copy paste over here, and we remembered the module, it was 0 for MD5. Copy this, paste it, enter. Let's wait. This time we should get the password. Oof. Let's see what we have right now. Did we got the hash? It seems nope. Let's go to the John then. We already have the command into the file or the hash into the file. So all we have to do is use this, copy, paste, enter, and we still didn't got what could be wrong here. Is it this or is it this? I think we are giving it the wrong hash. Let's try. Remove this. This should be raw MD5 though. Okay, I guess it's like the different password over the web page that we need to get. So to get that, let's go to all the way up. we also have other way using the web login. Will using the directory traversal exploit, this one I believe. So we'll use this also, and I don't think that's a good idea. But we'll use the faster way. The reason I use the faster way is because we have the exam, and in the exam you have to be fast, you have to be precise, and you need a proper document, or like you have to note down all the vulnerability that you have found. So the best way is to create a write-up like this, so you can refer it back what you did, what you performed. So when you create the report, you can write these steps briefly, like this is what you performed, these are the commands that you can just copy paste and make it work. So that's the reason why to get the password of the admin user. So that's why you need to do what I just said. Clear this, and if I'll copy this, search exploit, we don't want to move, we just want to cat this out, and it says file name this. No, I think it is performing some sort of weird combination and permutation. Oh, we got the path. So if I'll split it, perform curl over this, and remove all of this, paste it here, and give the right IP address, which is 11, and press enter. We should get I see it's a post method over here. We might have done it wrong. So -x, where we set the method, we're gonna set it to the post. And in the post, are we sending any sort of data? Yes, we are sending this as data, and -d, double braces, enter. Okay, code problem, enter. Or the other way is we can do cancel this, quit. Instead of x, we can move and collapse this, ls dot slash, not dot slash, which will be python 3 14 whatever, enter. And it says the missing arguments. We need to provide IP address, the port number is 85,000, and along with that we need to provide it the endpoint, which we just used horizontally. Yep, this is the one. Or maybe without that it could run. No. Then what do we need to provide? What the hell should I give in the argument? Enter. Did you mean print? Okay, it seems it's a Python 2 script. I see. Let's clear this. Oh, there we go. This has given the content by itself, and this is where we should get our data. Clear, or not clear, but collapse. There we go. Yo, stop, brother, stop. I know you're impressive, but I don't want to get impressed way too much. So it's encrypted. We got the admin login. It seems here we got the admin login. Let's try crack this. A hash using hashcat or maybe John, and we'll put a split here and we'll put a split here, because this is actually intended way, but we have already done this box using the unintended method. Or actually it might have performed the same action by just fetching the hash and get login and try to access the service and perform these steps. That's what I expect. Or maybe the post request might be there, so could be anything. But let's go all the way down. Okay, we don't need to go all the way down. Let's just go over here, not double hashcat, or copy the one-liner, different one, paste it here, copy this, paste it here, and we have copied the command, cleared the data, and enter. Token length exception, hash cat, identify, remove this, copy this, paste it here. Okay, so it's the SHA-1. So for this, I guess we can use this one, no problem. Get here, paste it here, because it's gonna check for the very first stuff. Paste, enter, and using this we should get our hash, and there we go. We got it, and the password is happy day. I hope it's happy day for you too, guys. So we'll just do this. And the admin login password is happy day. And if we go here to the endpoint where we can log in, only if this dead website actually run the way it should run. Shush. Administrator, admin APIs. There are many multiple ways to reach an endpoint. There we go. Let's provide the password. Okay. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay. This much should be enough. We'll go all the way down and select the text. We'll type it. Happy day. Happy, 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 happy. Click on login and we'll be in any moment. Oh, invalid password. Please try again. Don't be rude with me. Okay, this time it's fine. Will be in this time. What's up, guys? Man, I don't like it. Did that chat. Interact. Try to interact, guys. Try to interact. Fight with each other or like ask the question. Don't fight with each other. Sorry, my bad. Bad jokes. Let's close this. Oof. Is this length is wrong? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There might be some extra word over here that didn't work as it should have. That's why the first time login attempt failed. And let's just capture this much. I'm not gonna perform all the actions back. So there we go. We have the password. We can close this. We can clear this. And with that, let's copy the password, put it here, answer. .gsp. What kind of file can be uploaded to work as a web shell on AttackDefense? There you go. And the next one, what is the web server running as given the username without the domain? Username without the name. That we can only find in the administrator login. Now to find this, I don't know where we should be checking. Gateway types, settings, debugging IP address, no schedule task, no code analyzer, no data service. There is a server setting. This might be holding what we need. Mapping, security can be part. There is a gateway type. Okay, this might give us our answer. Gateway. But for this, let's keep waiting. And we go. Happy day. Paste, 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 paste. And it says hotfix. Nope, there wasn't any hotfix. And in the end, we will just provide it the flag and submit. There we go. We have solved another box. With the speed of light, we can say it wasn't too easy, but it was easy. You can upload JSP schedule. Okay, I think we are talking about over here is if I do netcat 1, we didn't check what it's saying right now. So we can remove this, go here, and user files. Files contain the files. Invalid password. We don't care a bit. Do we remember like what was the user? Eventually we'll be getting the reverse shell back, so just by getting that we will give it the answer. And again, it's almost 2 hours again today. So let's ask who am I? It's Tolis. Why the hell did I forgot this? For God's sake. There we go. Cancel. Now we don't need any of this. And with this, our another box is finished. Clear? So, what would you guys like to do? Should we start another box, or should we start it tomorrow? Because before leaving, I would like to start the box, and like I would like to finish it as soon as possible. So let me ask you guys, should I start with the next box? Should I drop a poll in the chat? I think I forgot to terminate. Should I drop the poll in the chat? Guys, please tell me. Man, I'm not that intelligent with the stream stuff yet. Matrix, it's real life applicable. Yes, if you can find the pretty old version of this over internet or somewhere in the assessment, then yes, it is real life applicable. Common vulnerability, no, this is not a common vulnerability. This will be hard to find kind of vulnerability. Numeration was 8 out of 10, cause you have to be clever with yourself if you want to pull something out. So yes, it wasn't that hyped or like that good, but let's give it a star. And old stuff, don't work here. Copy paste, be creative, and try to kill it before the time. Now here is another thing. Well, I am giving this in the review, but the real time this box actually took $14 days almost, or like the 15 days. And at that time around, I don't think this exploit was ready and already sitting there, and you could have like work around it that easily. That's why it took like 14 days to like pawn this box. But nowadays people have their own scripts which works like a bot and can pawn the boxes easily. So let's exit with on a good note. This was a pretty good box. And there's a fucking mosquito. Okay, let's put that aside. You guys didn't answer. I'll fix this, and we have 2-3 exploits here. First of all, we need to give the CV of this, which we don't have right now, but we have submitted it. So I'll go back. Arctic information. The CV is this. Highlight it, bold, all the way up. Exploited CVE, paste, enter. And the another CV that we have exploited should be here. Don't be like this. Bad manners. Give it here. Oof. No new message. Tool we used the hashcat. We use this script most likely. What else did we use? I think the only thing we use is a hashcat. Let's copy this, paste it here, enter. Copy this, paste it here, enter. Directory traversal. Okay, we have already given quite much over here. It says ms10 dot this, but in the end we use a different one, so we'll submit that over here, and it is ms15 or something, all the way up. Give it here, enter. Along with this, give it here, enter. For the privilege escalation, we used this one. Let's give it a directory traversal. Okay, we don't have anything related to directory traversal here. No problem. Copy this, paste it here, enter. Cold fusion, we didn't new, but we have it here. Upload, yes, it is there. We'll add, don't be smart. File upload vulnerability instead of upload. Okay, there's multiple uploads, so let's keep going with that. What else there? Yes, the other tool we used was WinPiece. Nice, I remember it. And what else have we used? We have used reverse rev shell. Okay, we don't have that into the tools. Not even here. So we'll skip on that. With that, we have finished our another box and everything is there. This can be published. I don't know when I'll get the subscription. Whenever I get the subscription, I'll publish this over the internet. Along with that, what we have: closed Attic, John, Hashcat, Shum, Grandpa, haven't solved yet. Bounty has been solved. Jerry has been solved. Forest has been solved, I seems. I see, it's not solved yet. So would you like me to work on the AD kind of box in the next one? Forest? Or how we proceed with this? This has like pretty long list here, but we will update it with the labs, and we gonna start everything from the scratch, and we'll learn what is something that is there and if we can use some other tools that I have used so far. So we'll try to utilize those also. Nuclei was able to detect version V, like low level of some vulnerability. There we go. It seems to be related to the Active Directory, so we don't need that. Oof. Okay, guys. So, as I see, no one is answering in the chat. So, we'll take exit for today and we'll work on the forest tomorrow, which is the AD Active Directory box. And what else? With that in the pocket, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Give a like to this video if you like it. You can also go to the playlist which I have created for this journey, so you can watch that. Do remember, when you're watching my videos, try to put those on the 2x or 1.5x so you can get through a bit faster. And cause it's live and it is pretty darn big live sessions, so you can use that to trim out the place, or rather trimming out the place, at least it will speed up the process for you. And if you find that someone who is who like to be here present, enjoy this live, or has interest in the cybersecurity, in the red teaming part, or in the blue teaming part, they can also join, because I'm not always going to do this OSCP one, because that will bore the people out and bore myself too. So we'll use some blue team stuff also. We'll try to solve those also, like Sherlock's in the Hack the Box, and what other thing there might be. Let's defend. We might solve that too. Other than that, we might try to solve the try hack me soon in the future. So till then, let's see what we can do. So if you guys would like to join on this journey, all welcome. I'll be doing the lives most of the time, hardly dropping the videos until I get like a good amount of subscriber and have a stable position, so I can hire a good editor who can work for the video cutting and understand the concept of what I'm trying to tell and create something around that. Even I'll be able to help that with that. And let's see where this channel goes. It's all up to you guys. So I'll take my leave. See you guys tomorrow if I'll be here. Have a great day or night. Bye bye.